Hello guys, Kryptica here. As a tribute to Mortal Kombat 10 or X or whatever the fuck coming out, I'm gonna fuck around playing some Mortal Kombat 9. Now I'm gonna warn you guys, I haven't played this game in a long ass time, so I'm just gonna pick some random guy. I'm gonna pick like Wolf. Because I'm pretty sure I was actually decent with him before. Fuck. I always hate the knife bosses, they're so intimidating. Like fucking Goro and Kintaro and that friggin' Centaur guy, even though I don't think he's in this one. They're all just so intimidating. But we're playing Scorpion of all people. And I'm a Native American. And now I'm just gonna spam. I'm pretty sure I was actually okay with this guy, so I look like the biggest noob right now, especially because it's just round 1 of the first fight of all things. Get wrecked. I'm trying to do that. There we go. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Oh my god, I got mid-transport. You know what? Scorpion's transport is just so fucking OP, it hurts. Oh, get wrecked. Your transport's don't work on me. Fuck fatalities. I'll do it eventually, I'm just gonna be a noob and fucking look at it. Nightwolf is pretty badass. Now we're playing Sonya. She'll get here in a second. There we go. I love his voice actor. He's like, ancestors, give me strength. He sounds like the nicest guy. But, oh, damn. Bitch be crazy. Okay. Alright, that's cool. You're wrecked. Nope. Nope. Ow. They'll be the martial law of this game. Martial law is also OP. Oh my god, you're gonna be doing this all day, aren't you? Best way to win. Just punch him in the face once. Alright. No. Right in the badge. Right in the vajayjay. Right in the vajayjay. Right in the vajayjay. No. Clearly the most boring fight right now. That was actually a pretty sweet move. Anyways, I'm gonna be a noob now. Alright, so from jump distance I gotta do down right, down left. Oh. Aha! Suck it! Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Hey, achievement. And your head is mine. Fatality indeed. Now versing J. Cage. Big Johnny Bugatti. Ancestors, give me strength. Round 1 fight. Let's go, nigga. No. Ow. Bitch. You bitch! Now things are getting a little more intense. I most likely won't beat Shao Kahn, but hey, at least I'm gonna probably go up to all that like Shang Tsung or something. I forgot. What's his grab move? Oh yeah, it's boring. Never mind, I mean. Ow! I should have expected that. I gotta get hit until then. But first, okay, you nigga, back here. No one blocks my attacks. Ow. No one. Stop it. JK, you nigga. Ow. I'm losing, I think. Yeah, now I'm losing. Now I don't know if I am losing. Ow. Fuck those moves. Like, I don't really even have a teleport move. I just got, ow. I just got this. And that's clearly doing nothing. Hey, at least I can use my X-ray. Get a comeback. Never mind, I don't need that. Alright, so... Fuck, I messed up. I did down twice. The tomahawk's like right next to his head. Even though he's dead, so I guess he wouldn't be intimidated. Shiva! The four-armed bitch. I'll admit, if she wasn't a freaking 8-foot-tall mutant, I'd be put on. I'm not really. Ow. I should have expected that move. Ow. Shiva. Biatch. Oh no. Oh. I was too busy doing an attack to dodge. Oh no. Ow. Oh my god! Yay, X-ray. Get wrecked. And get wrecked. My friends have MKX and it pisses me off so much. Ow. Fuck, wrong button. I was gonna block right there. Round 2 fight. No. Oh, fuck. Yep, there we go. Ow. No! Shit! Ow, I forgot I had to jump when she does that. Oh, her fucking inbred feet look so weird. No. More. Nope. Nope. Oh no. Ow. Too late. Nice shot. Alright. What was it? Down right, down left. Oh. Wrong order, I think. Fuck. And now we're versing Kung Lao. The Hat Man. His hat, though, is OP as shit. Come on. Oh, you nigga. There we go. Ow! That would have killed me if this wasn't Mortal Kombat. Oh, you son of a bitch. Get away from her, you bitch! I think, I know what I hate about this game, no one can really tell how good I am. So I gotta, like, let you know. I gotta, like, extend my freaking, tripod. No. Round 2, fight. No. 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 Ow. 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 Darn. In my opinion, this game is just spamming buttons. Oh, I still got him. Alright, good. I don't even know how it's possible. I'm pretty sure he dodged it. I don't know how I still got him. Wow, that was a lot easier. Down, left, down, right. Oh. There we go. Right order this son of bitches. And... wouldn't it go through his hat now I think of it? Oh my god, I just realized doing this with Kung Lao is, like, so, like, theory-based. Like, what if Kung Lao's hat blocked Nightwolf's axe or something like that? Even though I'm pretty sure it's a spirit axe, and I don't think it would block it. Liu Kang! The other Chinese guy who is pretty much Bruce Lee. have some fun. And by that I mean I'm gonna probably get fucked. Ancestors, give me strength. I want to fight. You Bruce Lee, bitch. Yeah, I'm already getting wrecked. My frickin' Bruce Lee over here. Ow! Ow! No. Stop. There we go! Haha! Take that. I don't think you can see, but I took out Armand. And... bam. And I won the first round. Round 2 fight. Okay. Oh, fuck you! You bitch! Oh, you ass! Oh, fuck you. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck, no, too early. Oh my god. Keep using that move too early. Ow, ow. Ow! His teleporting move isn't even fair. Yeah, like, look at that! I clearly got him, but no, it says no, you didn't. Nice try, bitch. You bitch. Ow. No. Get on my level. Oh, we're down the wire right now. Yeah, I won. Alright, now. I fucked up. Good job, me. Next opponent. Let's go. I think it's Kabal, so I'm gonna have fun with him too, because knowing where he is on the ladder and knowing how annoying he is already. Fun. Round 1 fight. I mean, I don't use that to just die. No. Ow! You bitch, I hate that move. That move is literally the worst thing ever, though. Ow. I'm gonna go home, have sex. Fuck. I'm done with you. I'm gonna go home and have sex with Pocahontas. Stop it. We'll fucking kick General Custer's ass. I don't think anyone got that Little Big Horn reference. Oh well. Erect. And I won. I should really fix my thing, because you can't even see the other opponent's bar now. No. But there's only one Sonic here, and that Sonic is me. Ow, 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 ow. Ow! You nigga! Ow! Seriously, he is not fun to fuck around with in the corner. Ow! Ow! No. Ah! I almost got him, but he did move first. Oh, fucking! Hey, this is a Sonic. This is like a Sonic match. Who's the fastest and most annoying character? Oh, nigga! Oh! Ah! Ah! Nope. Oh, fuck. First loss. Damn it. Let's start off the round good, right? Oh, you nigga. You nigga! I don't think Indian people say nigga, okay. Ow, ow. God. I'm afraid of that tree. I'm afraid he's gonna fuck me over. Oh, you cocksucker. Ugh! I'm so close! I'm so goddamn close right now. You nigga! Oh my god, please don't tell me I'm gonna lose. No! Fuck you! That's all you deserve. But, if you thought my anger was bad with him, you should see the next fight. Shang motherfucking Tsung. Everybody get down tonight. Everybody Shang Tsung tonight. I don't know, I heard that from Happy Hour. I'm sorry. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Yep, alright. You saw it. Ow! No. No, you don't. Ow. No. Ow! How is that? Okay. There is this X-ray? What? No! Oh, no. Okay, he's me now. Let's see who the better me is, me or me. I am who you don't think I am. Correct. I'm doing okay, actually. I have my X-ray too. If he doesn't be a bitch and use his, I'm fine. Okay, you're Sindel, alright. Holy fuck, I'm doing okay. I'm A-okay right now. Okay, now I'm not okay. Ow! Ow! Ow, ow, okay. No. Use her something pleasant. Let's do it. How pleasant was that? I don't know, I was trying to do fatality, but I forgot the code, oh well. Well, looks like I can't do my fatality ever again. And over Taro! No! Goro, you bitch, why do you have a slave who's just as powerful as you? Oh god, I'm gonna die. Because you can't knock him down sometimes. I would not want to be in a room with him. Yeah, you see. I'm actually, whoa! I'm doing surprise, okay, never mind. I was gonna say I'm doing surprisingly well against him, but that clearly is not true after what you just saw. Yeah, you see? I just hit him, he flashed yellow, and nothing, he didn't react. Because he's yeah, he just did it again. And I can't grab him either, I'm pretty sure. I can't even grab Shao Kahn. So I just won that somehow. I don't know how, I just did. Oh no. Ow. Ow. Ah. Ow! He's freaking so unfair, and I'm doing fine. And it's not even going to do much against him. Because freaking badass over here. Oh, okay, that's no. 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 Oh, no. Round 3. Alright. Hey, you see him. Oh, I dodged that. Nice. Oh. Fuck you. Don't you taunt me. That's the thing with Shao Kahn too. He taunts way too much. I just gotta do more damage than him at some points in time. Which it looks like I'm doing. Oh, alright. Haha! What am I doing? Okay. I just won. I just jumped over him. Oh my god, I almost lost because I was a fucking idiot and jumped over him a couple times. And now I'm fighting the motherfucking Shao Kahn. I don't know how it is voice acting. But now I'm versing motherfucking Shao Kahn, and we're gonna ass beat, probably. And I think that's where I'm gonna end the video after that, and then hopefully God works, and then I will be a good boy. Haha, funny. Ow. Eat. I will die. But first, ow, yeah. How dare you? Ow. Yep. This fight's like fucking Mike Tyson. You can't get a break. He just hits you to hell. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Sorry, my thing was at like 20%. I wasted 20% of my battery just fighting. Ow. Ow. Yep, I lost. I should have moved it to like one round and then just fucking annihilate him in the first round. Somehow. I gotta watch his front move, his projectile, I gotta watch everything he does. I gotta jump when he does that, I gotta dodge when he does that, I gotta do something when he does that. Even though that's clearly not working. How did you miss that? And I lose. And you got me in the heart. Well, at least I gave him a decent fight. I'm gonna try it one more time. I also forgot I can switch fighters if I want to, but fuck that. Ow. I gotta, like, make sure I hit R2 when he attacks me. Like, yeah, not like this. Yeah. That clearly didn't work. No. That's the thing. If Shao Kahn didn't even taunt, he would like, fucking annihilate. But no, he taunts. And he gets fucking owned sometimes. Haha, funny. Ow. Ow. Shank! 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 Oh my god, that worked! I just shanked his ass so hard. Oh my god. Can't believe that worked. Ow. I don't even care if I lose. That was worth it as shit. Kapuya! Kapuya! I think he stole quotes from that one girl. The Kapuya girl. I forgot what her name is, but she was all like, Kapuya! Kapuya! Like that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna lose this round. Unless I shank. Ow, that didn't work. Shank, 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 shank. Ow. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Shank, shank, shank. Yes. I'm so dead. Yeah, I'm dead. He just wrecked me after I died. Alright, round 3, fight. I gotta give him my A game. Ow! Ow! Oh, yeah. One time I actually do dodge. It's during that move. Ow! You know what time it is? Shank! 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 Ow! Shank! 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 Ow. Yeah, no, I did. Sadly, yeah, that is my best. Oh god, fatality. Okay. Fuck. I was actually really close that time. Especially with that shank move. I'm gonna try it one final time. Oh god. really working? Kidding me? Oh my god! I know what to do! Oh my god, I know what to do! I know what to do! I know what I have to do for the rest of this fight! Yes! Go! Keep doing it! Keep doing it! Yes! Ow! No! Oh, please let this be a video, please! Please video, or please work! If you don't work, I will fucking end you! Oh my god. 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 And X! Yes! 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 Oh! Oh, the shank! Shank, son! Oh my fucking god! Of all things that work! I shanked his ass so hard! Oh my god! Let's look at the end. Power of shank. Yeah. That's fucking right. I beat him. I just want to let all of you know I beat him fair and fucking square. Please let this video register. Pretty please. Yeah, but I'm not going to the crypts because fuck that monster. Yeah. Alright guys, I did it. If you like what you saw, like, comment, subscribe. I will see y'all later.